Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. We all want to stay fit. We all talk about our fitness, like how healthy our lifestyle is, what should we include in our diet to be healthy, and what kind of lifestyle we need to choose to stay fit. Right? So this is the talk of the town right now. Everybody is talking about fitness. I've already spoken about health vocabulary and how to speak on about your health. But today I'm going to take up fitness. All the health experts, doctors, fitness experts, nutritionists, everybody talks about fitness, right? So today I'm going to take up this topic. I'm going to tell you all the vocabulary related to fitness so that you also gain knowledge about it, so that you can start focusing on that aspect as well in your life. And I'm going to talk about sentences related to the vocabulary, and then lastly I'm going to speak about my fitness routine, which will be a practice session in which I'm going to talk about my fitness routine. You can also understand, collect the ideas, and you can also start speaking about your fitness routine in the same way in English. Okay, so guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now let's get back to the topic. As I told you earlier, every health expert, every doctor, every fitness expert, everybody is talking about fitness. Just because our lifestyle, what the kind of lifestyle we are having right now, we need to focus on this area. So that is why I've thought of taking up this topic and bringing to you some vocabulary, sentences, and how to talk about it so that you can start speaking on it and you can start focusing on this area to keep yourself fit as well. So what is fitness? The first vocabulary is fitness. Fitness is overall well-being and living healthy, living a healthy lifestyle. Okay, like physical, mental and social fitness overall. Okay, it is called fitness. Another term related to fitness is, which comes to our mind, is exercise. Everybody nowadays tells us to do some exercise, right? Another word related to exercise is workout. Okay, so I'm going to talk about each word. So let's take fitness and come up with a sentence. A lot of health professionals are talking about fitness. This is an example. Exercise. Exercise is physical activity which you are doing to improve your physical fitness, right? It's like walking, running, jogging, swimming or weightlifting. These are exercises, right? So swimming is the best exercise. Okay, or I prefer walking as an exercise. I prefer walking as an exercise than hitting a gym or swimming or running or anything else you want to add that. Okay, workout. It is a structured session of physical activity which is designed to achieve a specific goal, like building muscles or losing weight, etc., etc. So that is a structured session for specific purposes. Okay, and the workouts majorly focus on cardiovascular or strength gaining, flexibility, etc., etc. There are lots of things we do workout for, specific things, right? My workout session includes weightlifting. Okay, so this is an example of a sentence using this word. Another word is physical activity. Doctors and everybody tells us, like, we have a 9 to 5 job or 9 to 6 job and we sit since morning to evening. So all the doctors, all the health experts always advise to do some physical activity in between. Take a walk, or do some work, go and open the door, go and pick up a glass of water, do something, some physical activity. So what is a physical activity? Is any particular body movement that results in energy expenditure, that results in burning your energy, which includes everyday activity like walking or gardening or cooking or doing any household chores, anything. I feel walking is the best physical activity. I feel walking is the best physical activity for me, or just like that you can say. Okay, another term related to fitness is stamina. We all talk about stamina, right? So what is stamina? Stamina is a physical or mental strength to do something that might be difficult to do or will take a lot of time. So stamina is physical and mental both. Okay, strength. If you're physically strong, if you're mentally strong to do something which is difficult or which you have to do for a long time, then that is called stamina. Okay, for example, after a long day, I don't have stamina to stand and cook. After a long day, I don't have stamina to stand and cook. Okay, another term is fatigue. Fatigue is also very commonly used now. Fatigue means extreme tiredness resulting from physical or mental exertion or illness, or feeling exhausted. I was feeling fatigued after catching a flu. I was feeling fatigued after catching a flu. Okay, after a long journey, we feel fatigue. A lot of vitamin deficiency also causes fatigue. Okay, now the last segment is I'm going to talk about my fitness routine. What do I follow? How do I keep myself fit? Okay, I'm going to talk about that. The first thing in the morning after waking up is I drink a glass of warm water. That is the first thing I do. After that, I get my child ready for school and I drop her to school. Then I take a walk for 10 minutes. Walking is a good exercise. It is a kind of a physical activity which helps me to gain energy. So I prefer walking in the morning before having breakfast. So I take a walk for 10 minutes at least, and then I come back home and a little later I have my breakfast. I prefer to have a good breakfast or a healthy breakfast, which is a wholesome meal. That will give you energy to keep your stamina up the rest of the day and you'll not feel fatigued. After breakfast, of course, I start my work. But in between my work, when I'm sitting, I make sure after every interval, after some intervals, I take a walk, whether to drink water or open the door or, just a small walk just to do some physical activity. Okay, then I have my lunch, which includes vegetables, protein and carbohydrate, everything. After lunch, I make sure that I take a walk and then I resume my work. So this is what I do to keep myself fit by having balanced diet and doing some physical activity throughout the day. I prefer to have early and light dinner. This helps me to sleep peacefully at night and wake up fresh early in the morning. And one more thing I religiously follow is drink a lot of water throughout the day. I make sure I drink a lot of water throughout the day. I keep myself hydrated throughout the day. So this is how I try to keep myself fit, or this is what my fitness routine is. So guys, I'm sure it was very simple to understand and follow the words and sentences and what I spoke about my fitness routine. In the same way, you can also start talking about it. Just make sure when I am making sentences out of the words, you also try to come up with 1 or 2 sentences so that when you speak about your fitness routine, you can include those words while speaking in English about it. Okay, it will help you. So go through slowly, understand each vocabulary, come up with new sentences related to the vocabulary, and then speak about your fitness goals or your fitness routine, or what do you want to include in your daily routine to stay fit. That's it. It's very simple, right? And if you want to gain more knowledge on this, listen to experts. listen to podcasts on fitness, and you will get to know a lot of things which you can include in your daily routine to keep yourself fit. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.